Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how to see posts you have commented on Facebook. So without wasting time, let's get started. First of all, open the Facebook application on your mobile phone. Then you will see a hamburger menu with your profile picture on the top right hand side, so tap on it. Then menu will open, and in the menu you will see settings gear icon on the top right hand side, so tap on the settings icon. Then in the settings and privacy page, scroll to the bottom and you will see the option activity log. Tap on it. Then in the activity log, scroll a little bit and you will see your Facebook activity. So expand this option by tapping on this down arrow. Then you will see manage comments and reactions. Tap on it. Then on the next page you will see filters option on the top left hand side, so tap on it. Then tap on categories. Then in the categories select comments. Now you will only see comments. And to view the post you commented, simply tap on these three dots right next to the post. Then you will see the first option view, tap on it. Then you will be able to view that post. And this is how you can see posts you have commented on Facebook.